You abandon one sister, I give you 100 sister. Tingnan nyo, ilang mga kapatid ni Mother Flora? 3, 4. Ilang mga member of the congregation dito lang, na nabilang ko mga 17, biro nyo. Mas marami nagsimba dito kaysa sa parokya. Tingnan nyo, punong-puno. At saka, she left a few sisters. And she got hundreds of sisters. She left one house. And she got hundreds of houses. Lahat ng bahay ng congregation, mga school, formation houses, retreat houses, it was hers, it is yours. She left maybe the bicycle, and then the congregation got hundreds of cars. She left a small town, and the whole world became her house. Totoo naman yun, aminin natin. Tayo mga religious, we receive hundredfold immaterial possessions. Narinig nyo ba? Isang pare o isang madre na namatay sa paggutom. Narinig nyo ba? Balita, namatay si sister o namatay ang parish priest dahil sa paggutom, wala siyang pagkain. Meron ba? Narinig mo ba? No. Ang naririnig natin, namatay si father, namatay si sister. Dahil sa sobrang pagkain, diabetes, high blood cholesterol. Nasa labas na kumbento, we are looking for food. Pag religious, food is looking for you. Wherever I go, there are people running after me with food. When I go for the funeral masses, naku, as if I'm going to the restaurant.